like my signature entrance. Now let's get waffling in style. With this little beauty of a Belgian waffle maker, everyone can savor his or her own cafe-style, 1-inch thick, fluffy waffle. In under 10 minutes, no less. The rotating Belgian waffle maker's 1,000 watts of power make for faster heat-up time. And with a variable browning control, your waffles will come out just the way you like them. Speaking of just the way you like them, you can use any batter you want. From a classic recipe to a gluten-free recipe, the results will be exquisite. Feeling crafty and creative? You can even use the waffle maker to cook an omelet. Delicious, and it'll look just like a waffle. So how does it work? It's super easy. Preheat the waffle maker by plugging it in. A ready indicator light will let you know when it's go time. Pour in the batter and close the waffle maker, and simply rotate it as it cooks. The easy flip handle and variable browning control will crisp and fluff those waffles up to perfection. A removable tray is there to help you have a drip-free countertop. Super clean. Sweet, thanks. Now it's your turn to enjoy one. Treat yourself or a friend to Bella's non-stick rotating waffle maker and wow your taste buds with authentic Belgian taste. Bon appétit!
Innovative functions with the Cuisinart Griddler 5. All the classic cooking methods you want, like contact grill, panini press, grill, griddle, and full or half griddle now come with user-friendly digital precision controls, easy-to-use countdown timer, and a brilliant LCD display. Simply set the function, temperature, and time, and let the Griddler 5 cook your favorite foods to perfection. With 5-in-1 cooking options, you can prepare hash browns, crisp bacon, and make blueberry pancakes all at the same time. Or grill up tangy and onion Gruyere burgers, or even a chocolate hazelnut panini as a special treat for dessert. You can prepare an entire meal in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup. The Griddler 5 features an adjustable floating cover, stay cool stainless steel handlebar, and the reversible removable cooking plates are completely dishwasher safe. With adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees, you can lightly toast a panini or sear your steak to perfection and use the 2-minute sear function for lightning fast results. All of the features you love with a simple modern design. The Cuisinart Griddler 5 is the ultimate addition.
Breakfast sandwich maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring. Add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out, and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker.
On the top here you can see this is where you make your Belgian waffle. It has nonstick plates. It's 1,400 watts of power. It also is 1 inch, has 1 inch deep pockets. So on the front here, there's a turn knob. It tells you which direction to turn it in. It turns 180 degrees. And you open this side, and this is where you can cook your French toast, your pancake. It also makes a beautiful fluffy omelet also. On the front here, you'll notice that the light is green because I preheated it, so we didn't have to wait. I'm going to turn it back around this side because I'm going to fill the waffle part first. Has a stainless steel construction on the outside. It's really compact and easy to use. You have on this side the knob that operates the waffle mechanism, and it also has 1 to 6 setting. I like to put it on 4. On the right, this is your omelet, pancake, French toast setting. Also, I put it on 4. This is your toggle switch for off and on. It has the green light, which will beep to let you know it's heated up and that it's ready to use. And then the same thing will happen when it's done cooking. So let's get started. I'm going to open it up. The first thing that we recommend that you do is you always season your plates. So let me just do that. I washed this before I used it, so I had a little bit of water on there, so that's why it's crackling. So keep that in mind when you actually do that yourself. So this is a homemade Belgian waffle batter. We give you the cup, which is the perfect measured size for your waffle. Just going to put that inside. It's quite thick. I'm just going to shake it out as best as I can. And if you prefer, you can also spread it around like a little bit evenly with any type of spatula. I'm just going to close it and immediately turn it. And then on this side, I'm going to get ready to put in, I'm going to do a little stuffed French toast. So like what's normally referred to as like a Monte Cristo, because we're going to put a little, I'm just going to close that for a minute. We're going to put ham and cheese, and then we're going to actually dunk it in the batter. I'm just going to put it in with my hands, but I'm going to use the tongs to flip it over. Let's soak up a little bit of the French toast mixture. And turn that over. Then I'm going to open this up. I'm going to put the Monte Cristo in. And then we're going to close it. So we're going to let that cook, and it'll beep 3 times to let us know it's all done. So let's check our waffle. Oop, it came up a little short because I didn't get enough batter in there, but it's still cute. It looks like it's shaped like a little heart. So let's put that here. It came out the perfect doneness. I love it nice and crispy like that. Just going to add a little bit of agave syrup, or you can use whatever you want. You can do fried chicken and waffles. You can do a chocolate waffle. You can do any type of berry. This happens to be blackberry. There you go. Let's check on our Monte Cristo. It should just beep to let me know it's done. Oh, wow, look at that. Looks perfect. Now, obviously, you can see I got a little bit over the edge because this is really, really thick bread. Just make sure it's the right size. I went a little overboard there, but it looks beautiful and delicious. It's fun to use. It's really convenient. You can make omelets for one person, waffle for another. It's fun to use on the weekends or even during the week when you're in a hurry. So there you have it.
It's also the one that's most often skipped. Rushed mornings don't leave much time for preparing breakfast. That's where the dual breakfast sandwich maker comes in. Drive-thrus in the frozen food aisle offer easy breakfast sandwiches, but those can have questionable ingredients, so you're never quite sure what you're getting. Now, with the dual breakfast sandwich maker, you can make 2 of your favorite sandwiches with your own fresh ingredients at home even faster. It's great for families because everyone can have a custom sandwich in minutes. Just choose the bread you love, English muffin, biscuit, bagel, or even pancakes. Then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plates out, and you'll have 2 hot, toasty, perfectly assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to eat or take on the go. Cleanup is easy too. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and the cooking surfaces are non-stick. It's the perfectly simple way to make 2 delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwiches.